in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix. You can't make this change at the moment when you want to remove or delete your email from Facebook account. So why do this happen? This happens when you've been using different devices to log into your Facebook account. So when Facebook detects that, it will automatically protect your Facebook account by giving you that error message. So you won't be able to remove the email from Facebook. But I'm going to show you how to solve that. So make sure to follow each and every step shown in this video. And if you find this video helpful, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and turn notification bell icon for more videos. So without further ado, let's begin. So step 1, you need to connect your Facebook account to Instagram account. Now to do so, you need to open your Instagram application and log in to your account. Now after login, now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on those 3 lines at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Then select Account Center. Then select Profiles. Then tap on Add Accounts. Then select Add Facebook Account. Now here guys, you need to submit your email address or phone number plus your password to log in to your Facebook account. Now tap on Continue. Then tap on Continue here at the bottom. Then tap on Yes, finish adding. Now after linking your Facebook account to Instagram account, now go back. So tap on your profile icon here at the bottom once more. Then tap on those 3 lines at the top right corner once more. Then select Settings and Privacy. And you select Account Center. Now you're under Account Settings. You select the second option, Personal Details. Tap on that. Now select Contact Info. So guys, you need to select the email that you want to delete from Facebook. So select that email. Then tap on Delete Email. Then tap on Delete. So you need to submit your Facebook password for confirmation. As you can see, it says you have deleted your previous email. So guys, by doing that, you have now fixed the error. You can't make this change at the moment when you want to delete your email from Facebook. So if you find value in today's video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn notification bell icon for more videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.